So let us explore some of the excels that we already know and how to improve upon our knowledge. Let us start from the scratch. Scratch with, let me share the screen and where is the formula? Let me go. Here is it.
Since this tutorial
We will feature. So this is a blank workbook. Like this one, fundamentally we'll go with a blank workbook. Now there is a toolbar out here, a draw-based outline, review, view, and help. There are many uh, menus out here. Ribbon, what we discussed about this particular ribbon belongs to home page, and when we select file ribbon, we see formula. So these are all menus right here. The extra options that we discussed. So this is the formula menu. When we click this, it will show like some effects to the text, font size and font style, etc., etc. Apart from also discussed about a bridge sheet to this particular address. So you can see the address over here, which is B3. So in the B3 column, there has to be name. Now we also had a discussion about street tracker. So this is the sheet. Those are there. So extra sheet you can add by clicking on the plus button, which will be there, and the sheets will automatically get added. You can see it there. Now what we can do is in the demo Excel session, let us type the employee name. So here is the employee name getting written, details, employee details, and it will be, so if you click on the side of the name, then employee name, employee number, and designation are being written out here. Salary also will be mentioned. Then maybe blood group also will be written of the employee. What else? Phone number also we are writing down. And so far so good. Yes. Now we will, in a particular column, we go and here what is happening is salary is written here, and if you click that, the column length will increase. If you click here at the edge of each column and just stretch it towards the right, it will increase. So here is what is happening. It is increasing, and this can be, sorry, this can be merged into the total area of that particular sheet, so that it will be merged and come to the center. So it will look nicer as a table. Now we will put employee names. So there are few names, those are being written down out here. Joe, John, Mary, Mark, Sunan, Jennifer, Mike, team, Jeffrey, Morgan. Now employee number, there are some number being written out here. Now the designation will be written out. Sister, finance, finance, tester, testing, tester, yes. Marketing, software development, software developer, 'Now the width of that cell is adjusted. $12,000, software developer is 10,000, tester is 29. Blood group something will mention O plus, B positive, A negative, AB positive, A negative, B positive, AB positive, AB negative, O negative, O positive. This is a table. Now, if you want to add serial number to it, just insert and put X serial number out there and put some 1 or 2, 1 and just if you without that if you full series. So to do full series, then it will create the complete sequence of the numbers. Now the headings are done. Yeah. All of these are aligned to the center. It is being saved. At this stage, you should save your file with a name so that your data, whatever you have entered, it should not get lost. So data is entered. Now we are locking the cell so that nobody can do any editing mistake. What we do, the entire data is format cells locked, number, alignment, font, protection, and it is locked. These are the columns which are being locked as well. And whatever we will edit, that can be unlocked again. So it cannot be done to the merge cell. So that one was removed and those cells are locked, and where editing needs to be made, those are unlocked. Protect sheet. Select locked cells. And put some password out there. We have successfully logged and protected all the cells in Excel. Now let us verify that the cell you wanted to protect are unlocked or here. So these are protected, so no change can be made. Yes, this is the protected sheet. So we have protected the sheet. We can do this with protection by the sheet. Yes. So this set sheet is that is the first step in Excel. We created a sheet